The governor of Karnataka disrespecting the national anthem. Take a look at how this governor disrespects the national anthem. He's the governor of a state and he walks off while the national anthem is playing in the background. This took place at an event. This took place at a function, and it is shocking how the governor actually walks off while the national anthem is playing. Showed you that entire sequence because it makes it clear exactly what we are talking about. The governor of Karnataka, absolute disrespect for the national anthem. You can see in that as the national anthem is playing, we presume that this function is winding down to a close. The national anthem is playing. Everybody is standing in honor, in respect to the national anthem, and the governor just walks off. And then it seems minutes later, realizing his folly, actually comes back. Pooja Prasanna joins us for more on this. Pooja, what was this event? Was the event winding down? What exactly happened? Because we can see from the pictures the governor is just walking off as the national anthem is playing.
The event took place in Raj Bhavan earlier this morning. It was a swearing-in ceremony of Justice Raghvendra Singh Chauhan, who was transferred to the Karnataka High Court just about a week ago. And at this swearing-in ceremony, at the beginning of this ceremony, when the national anthem was played, the governor seemed to be standing and paying respects to the anthem. But right after the ceremony, without waiting for the national anthem to be played, he walked away, as the visuals clearly showed. And a minute after that, realizing his mistake, after somebody of course pointed it out to him that was the national anthem that was being played, he walked back onto the stage and stood while the national anthem was completed. This is what we saw. Of course, no explanation has come in from Raj Bhavan just as yet, and the governor too was not available for any comment after we tried getting in touch with them later on in the day. But even political leaders declining to comment on that. Even the Congress here in government also did not want to say much on this particular episode.